괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok? Hahaha.
A few moments later.
Bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Tapi bohong.
Oh my god!
Tapi bohong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok? Hahaha.
A few moments later.
Geda-gedi. Oh.
Hello everyone, I am Angginina Pratiwi from Accounting Class 25A. In this presentation, I will explain business ethics. In the business world, the primary goal is usually to make a profit. However, when running a business, companies also need to consider moral value, honesty, and responsibility toward commerce and society. That's why business ethics is so important, so that business activity can run smoothly and without harming others. Grown. Today, development of business is growing very fast and competition is becoming stronger. Many companies compete with each other to attract customers and increase their profits. However, in reality, there are still many unethical practices in business, such as misleading advertisement, dishonest product information, or unfair treatment toward employees. Because of these problems, business ethics are needed to that companies can run their business in an honest, fair, and responsible way. Definition of ethics. In general, the word ethics comes from the Greek word ethos, which means character or habits. Ethics refers to the values or principles that guide people in deciding what is right and what is wrong. In everyday life, ethics help you behave properly according to the norms and values accepted by society. Definition of business. Business is an economic activity carried out by individuals or organizations to produce goods or services and sell them to consumers in order to gain profit. In business activities, there are many parties involved such as producers, consumers, employees, and business partners. Because many parties are involved, business need rules and moral value to ensure that all relations work well. Definition of business ethics. Business ethics refers to moral principles and values that guide how business should operate. Business ethics regulate how operate companies behave toward consumers, employees, partners, and society. With business ethics, companies are expected not only to focus on profit but also to consider honesty, responsibility, and the impact of their activities. Purpose of business ethics. Business ethics have several important purposes. One of them is to build trust between companies and consumers. When customers trust a company, they are more likely to buy its products or service. Business ethics also help companies maintain a good reputation and create positive relationships with many parties. Principle of honesty. One of the most important principles in business ethics is honesty. Companies should provide clear and truthful information about their products or service. For example, they should not exaggerate product quality advertisements. Honestly, help companies gain customer trust and build long-term relationships with their clients. Principle of responsibility. Another important principle is responsibility. Companies must be responsible for the product they sell, including ensuring product quality and providing good service to customers. They also need to consider the impact of their business activities on society and the environment. Examples of business ethics in practice. There are many examples of how business ethics can be applied in real life. For instance, maintain good product quality and give excellent customer service. They should ask the employees fair, such as providing proper salaries and creating a safe working environment. Examples of unethical business practice. On the other hand, there are also many examples of unethical business practice. These include misleading advertisements, selling products that do not match the promised quality, or cheating customers. Such action can harm consumers and damage the company reputation. Benefits of business ethics. Applying business ethics can bring many benefits to a company. For example, it can increase customer trust and loyalty. Customers are more likely to support companies that are honest and responsible. Business ethics also help build a positive company image and support long-term business success. Conclusion. In conclusion, business ethics play a very important role in the business world. Business is not only about making profit, but also about applying moral values such as honesty, responsibility, and fairness. By applying business ethics, companies can build trust with customers, and maintains good relationship with society. Thank you for attention, guys. See you next video.
Sick,